Are you looking for the best Nespresso machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Nespresso machines that are available on the market. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. At number 5, Original Espresso Machine Bundle. Coming from a leading brand, this Nespresso machine offers more guarantees when it comes to good performance and reliability. It is a fast unit and will have your cuppa ready within a very short time. It should have heated up in less than 15 seconds and brews even in a shorter time. The optimum extraction ensures you get natural and rich-tasting coffee. Operating the unit, like most in this review, is very user-friendly. You simply push the one-touch buttons. It has impressive features that improve its functionality and reliability. Moreover, it delivers consistent brewing to ensure you always get a high-quality brew. The automatic functioning is a plus and will hasten the process. Besides, it saves you effort and minimizes errors. It handles a wide variety of single-serve cup sizes without any issues. For easy refilling and simple cleaning, the water reservoir comes out easily. The high-quality machine also ranks as among the most affordable pieces. At number 4, Coffee and Espresso Machine. This machine makes brewing espresso seem pretty simple and easy. You'll have a hot and great-smelling cup in a very short time. The superior technology and advanced design boost efficiency. The device, like most top choices, has a one-touch operation. And while capacity is not the biggest, the fast speed counters this. It is made from tough materials and handles the tasks well. Its smooth and sleek finish is more resistant to stains, dirt, oils, and discoloration. The power consumption of the high-energy device is kept low. The automatic power-off feature protects the device against overheating and also conserves energy. Compared to other featured products, it is fairly silent. The layout is also user-friendly and very effective. In addition, cleaning the accessory fast and simple. The material of the build doesn't corrode, get stained, or rust. This enables the unit to keep its good appearance for a long time. At number 3, Original Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi EN125S Original is a nice choice if you want the finest Nespresso machine. It has a good capacity to meet most market requirements. It can be used at home, in the office, in a workshop, and elsewhere. We enjoy the straightforward style as well as the nice appearance. To simplify the use, it doesn't have too many frills. The 19 bars pressure capacity helps to provide the highest quality espresso. The item is small and saves space on the counter. This is particularly useful for small surroundings such as a dorm room, small kitchen, or small office. The sleek and contemporary style is also something that adds to the attractiveness. In most of the areas, it will look great. It's very easy to make coffee. It is based on a single-touch procedure and offers excellent coffee. You will appreciate a great cup of coffee whenever you need it. At number 2, Nespresso Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Machine. Enjoying a cup of finely made espresso is possible with this machine. We love the sleek design which seems to further emphasize its effectiveness. The accessory will merge well with any decor whether at home, office, or any other place. It's a quick and efficient unit and delivers good coffee. The craftsmanship of this machine is top-notch. You'll notice stronger materials and solid nature. This handles the heat, frequent cleaning, and much more. It's among the simplest to use machines and is loved by new users. The simple one-touch buttons make this possible. You also get user-friendly styling and several options to choose from. The sliding tray has a practical style to handle various cup sizes. Cleaning and maintaining the unit is simple and easy. It also is more resistant to discoloration or stains. It is relatively cheaper than most options despite it being faster and producing better tasting coffee. At number 1, Original Espresso Machine Bundle. Making espresso is easy with this machine. It's simple in design and this boosts the performance. The unit, like most in this review, comes with a one-touch option. This saves you effort and time. The capacity isn't the largest but should be okay for most applications. It's a well-made unit and handles the heating and brewing pretty well. It's also a fast machine and will deliver the coffee within minutes. The highly energy-efficient machine will keep power usage low. It has an automatic power-off function to stop the operation after a few minutes of no operation. This function helps to protect the unit from overheating. It's relatively more silent in comparison to most pieces in this review. It also has a user-friendly design that minimizes spillage and creates a mess. Cleaning is easy and also quite quick and straightforward. You also don't need to worry about it becoming stained too soon. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.